Life is totally unpredictable because you might be greeted with some surprises like unexpected car problems, medical bills, or it could be a dilemma to choose a restaurant to eat, and the worst part is you won't have money to pay for any of these things. Blame your personal finance management for all these mishaps. Managing your personal finance plays a huge role if you want to achieve financial freedom. Without money, you will most likely not survive, but most people tend to forget it, even if they're in a boring job for money. What if I told you that even you can achieve financial freedom? Yes, that's right, but very few people actually work towards achieving that goal. So in this video, I decided to share with you some of my personal finance management tips. So make sure to stick till the end to know more. 10. Creating a simple budget. Research tells us that people who prepare a detailed household financial budget are a minority in the US, and that says a lot. As a first step towards improving your personal finance, creating a budget will help you increase your wealth and financial security. In simple terms, a budget is a plan for future income and expenses, including savings required to achieve financial goals. You could have your budget written on paper or just about anywhere else, considering income and expenditure. Most budgets are future-oriented financial documents that project income and expenses with the goal of positive cash flow, which means your income needs to be greater than your expenses. 9. Discussing finances with others. A very recent survey carried out by Money and Pension Services about the financial behaviors of UK adults found that about 55% feel uncomfortable opening up about their financial situation. This could be because of shame, embarrassment, not wanting to burden others, or having been brought up in an environment where money was never the topic of conversation. So, you know that money is a taboo subject in so many families. But the truth is, by opening up about money, it is possible for you to put yourself into a much better position financially by being well informed about financial matters and sharing those skills with families and close friends, even your children. It will help you achieve your goals, whether you're looking to pay off your mortgage or you are planning for your early retirement. If you share your financial goals with others, you might receive valuable financial insights and guidance on how to get there, and all the options that are available to you. 8. Living below your means. Let's say that your monthly expenses are about $1,200 and your monthly income is just $1,000. Then you're simply not living below your means and you're paying more for your lifestyle and expenses than what you're earning. Now let's say that if you were to cut your spending to $900 per month, then you would be living below your means. Most people tend to impress others with the money that they don't actually have. If you are doing this, then this is a terrible financial decision, especially when you're starting out your career. You need to keep aside some money for those bad days, and that is only possible if you live below your means. You need to earn more money than what you spend. This is the simple logic behind living below your means. This will allow you to save some money to achieve your financial goals, and it will also give you the needed financial cushion in case of an emergency and whenever you need extra cash. It is extremely important to understand your cash flow if you really want to live within your means. 7. Maximizing credit score. The entire economy runs on credit. So, if you want to get a mortgage for a house or a student loan to pay for your college, you need a lender to extend your line of credit, but you also need to be worthy of that line of credit. Your credit worthiness is defined by your credit score, which is extremely important to your financial life. If you have a bad credit score, then it will be extremely difficult for you to get a credit card with a low interest rate, and you will need to pay a higher interest rate to borrow money for any purpose. So, if you're looking for easy credit card approval, lower interest rates, and better loan terms, you need to improve your credit score. 6. Investing in assets. If you want to grow your wealth and become financially free, investing in assets that will give you steady cash flow is the best way to go, because investing is one of the best ways to put your money to work and potentially build wealth, and you also need to do it smartly, which will allow your money to outpace inflation and increase its value. You should use the power of compounding to your advantage, and for those of you who don't know, compounding happens when an investment generates earnings or dividends, which are then reinvested. These earnings or dividends then generate their own earnings. With any investments, you need to look at the risks and returns because only you get to decide how much risk you're willing to take for potentially higher returns. So, if you are seeking to outpace inflation, you need to take some risk, and that's the only way to grow money. 5. Invest in yourself. It's a shame that when it comes to investments, most people think of investing in a business or stocks or mutual funds. But the best asset that you have with you right now is yourself. So why not invest in yourself start by learning more about personal finances or by taking care of your health. There is no point in having a lot of money if you don't have a healthy mind and body to enjoy it. It will also help boost your confidence and open up new career opportunities. It'll help you build connections. Most importantly, continuous learning promotes brain health and lowers your risk of mental health problems. So why not give it a try? 4. The right mindset. Making money is easier than saving money. And this is something that most people tend to overlook. This is because people think that it's easier to save money than to make money. The truth is, it's safer to save money than to make money. Today, all thanks to the internet, the opportunities to make money are endless. You need to think like the rich to make this happen. For the rich people, money is just a tool to make more money and also attain freedom. So, if you're ready to alter your current mindset to unlock your true potential, you will be able to achieve financial freedom because anything is possible until it's done. 3. Start a side hustle. You might already hate your 9-to-5 job, or even if you don't, starting a side hustle based on something that you're passionate about will get you an extra source of income, depending on how much time you're willing to spend on it. So many people invest their time in starting a side hustle, which then ends up becoming their main source of income. So, if you have some brilliant idea that you always wanted to execute, now is the time to bring that to life, provided that you have a financial cushion to take risks. This does not mean that you need to immediately quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, if you made it this far, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos just like this one, and turn on post notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. 2. Using a credit card. What if I told you that you should be making every purchase using your credit card because these are convenient and secure, but more importantly, they help you build credit score and earn a lot of rewards. Usually credit cards get a bad reputation because people simply don't know how to use this valuable tool. Think about it this way. If you don't have enough money, you could use your credit card as a short-term personal loan and then pay it off towards the end of the month once you get your paycheck. So use them responsibly to build your credit score. 1. Do not inflate your lifestyle. Let's say that you now have multiple sources of income and you're making a lot of money. You will be tempted to increase your spending by a huge margin. Ideally, you shouldn't be inflating your existing lifestyle unless and until it's extremely necessary and that it is something that would help you build wealth. Let's say that if you have a terrible car that gives you problems every now and then, if you now have the money, you could consider an upgrade because an unreliable car will cost you a lot of time and money, and that's not what you want if you're here to fix your finances. We all, at some point, have been victims of consequences due to improper personal financial planning, but the truth is, it is never too late to learn personal finance management. If you follow these basic steps, you too could achieve your financial freedom. Make sure that you invest in assets that you clearly understand, and you invest the money that you're willing to lose because anything can happen with your investment. This is not a financial advice video by any means, so you need to take this video for its infotainment value.